To summarise Noland in a few words, it would definitely be a journey of an awful lot of progression, and one that is quite incredible.
The reason I came to Noland is the unique training we get here. Coming out of school, I took quite a few years out, unsure of what I wanted to do. And then when I looked into Noland, the so many opportunities that we get made it my only choice, really.
My degree is called Early Years Development and Learning, and it's a 3-year degree unique to Noland College. It's a combination of practical sessions and experience with children. We have lecturers with a vast amount of knowledge and experience, and the course is based on the latest cutting-edge research, so Noland is at the forefront of early years education.
I find Noland to be a very inclusive place. Everyone's very accepting of the fact that me and the other boys, that we're all kind of going against the trend, so that all staff are very supportive.
Noland is very inclusive, especially now we're at this new building. They're welcoming in different groups and everything, giving the community the chance to come and see what we do here at Noland and be part of it.
It's been really nice to move to the new building, especially as we've now got our own food and nutrition block. This is a really nice open space to practice your cooking and food and nutrition skills with your friends.
We each work in pairs in our own individual little kitchen. All that's fully equipped with brand new equipment, and we work from our Noland recipe book to create the recipes in the Noland cookbook.
We have a sewing room that's nice and big, and you can sort of showcase your work. Before I came to Noland, sewing a button on was very difficult for me. But as much as it's challenged me, I can look back now and realise quite how much I've enjoyed it and how much I've learned.
I find the lecturers all really supportive. They'll give you one-to-one help, and they'll also help you at the end of the lectures if you're confused about what you've just learnt.
You can talk to them about pastoral care, about any educational problems that you have, any money problems that you have. You can turn to anybody at Noland and you know that you'll be safe in their hands.
The course is very theoretical. For example, in the lectures, we learn about early brain development, neuroscience, and emotion coaching.
My experience at Noland's been really rewarding. I've got to go on holiday jobs so far that I wouldn't have been able to do if I hadn't been at Noland. I've gained skills that I wouldn't have gained at other places, like the practical ones, and also just being a Noland nanny it's one of a kind. So.
There's lots of things that we do with Noland and our training that makes us unique. We do skip hand training that's really teaching us how to have control of the car in conditions that are not ideal. What feels like an incredibly fast speed, and then suddenly asked to stop, and you can just feel the car lose control underneath you, and it's all about remaining in control of the car, remaining calm, but also being able to be safe on the roads. In addition to that, we've done self-defense training. It kind of teaches you more about the basics of personal security and how you would care for a child, but also be in a position to defend yourself should anything happen.
I've learned so much at Noland, both in the degree and the diploma. You get to learn the theory, but also put that into practice, and you're supported to put that into practice with children.
There are lots of ways we put theory into practice. For example, placements, one of which is nurseries. We do singing or reading books in the reading corner. Simple things like doing puzzles, or we do Play-Doh, or we play with the Legos. This helps with their sensory skills and their cognitive development.
We do a Noland Diploma Activity Day where we put into practice the activities that we've learned in our diploma sessions, and we physically do them with each other so that we can experience the learning that children will get from those activities, so that the next time we do that activity we can make it even better and they can get more learning out of it.
If you're interested in coming to Noland, then I'd definitely say go for it, as it's an experience that you won't get anywhere else.
There are lots of students here who haven't gone down the traditional A-level route. Noland is really inclusive in that respect, as it looks at your experience and your love of childcare, and if you have that love of childcare, then you'll be absolutely fine.
The childcare workforce really is looking for men, and they want men that are positive role models and that can show that commitment and that care. And once you've demonstrated that you can do that, the world's your oyster, and that's all you need.
Noland prepares us for the future in so many ways.
The placements give me the opportunity to apply my theoretical learning.
Even down to the wearing of the uniform and being able to abide by rules prepares us, alongside giving us the knowledge to go on and to be the best we possibly can.
It's been more than a university experience, and I will treasure these years for the rest of my life.
The 1 week that really sums it up for me is, in 1 week here, I was writing a dissertation, designing my own nursery, whilst sewing a cake and gutting and preparing a whole fish in food and nutrition. I don't think there's anywhere else that you would do that in a week.
We are Norland.
We are Norland.
We are Norland.
We are Noland.
We are Norland.